Have you ever wondered how TensorFlow works in AI? TensorFlow is a potent open-source library designed by the Google Brain team. It's used in diverse fields such as voice recognition, text-based applications, image recognition, and more. TensorFlow is a game-changer in the world of AI. TensorFlow is not just a single entity, but a suite of libraries. Among the many, TensorFlow Core sits at the center, providing the base for all operations. TensorFlow.js enables machine learning directly in the browser, while TensorFlow Lite optimizes for mobile and edge devices. Each library serves a unique purpose, enhancing the flexibility and versatility of TensorFlow. From running complex computations on servers to deploying lightweight models on mobile devices, the libraries collectively contribute to TensorFlow's might. The libraries in TensorFlow are the building blocks of this powerful tool. Now, how about writing a simple Python code using TensorFlow? Let's dive right in. The first step is importing TensorFlow into our Python environment using the import command. Once that's done, let's create some tensors. Tensors are the fundamental units of data in TensorFlow, similar to arrays in Python. Creating them is as simple as declaring a variable. Next, we perform operations on these tensors like addition, multiplication, or matrix operations. It's all pretty straightforward, especially if you're familiar with Python's syntax. Lastly, we run our code and voila, we have a working TensorFlow program. Remember, TensorFlow is a powerful tool, but it's also user-friendly. Python and TensorFlow together make AI programming accessible and efficient. So, what have we learned about TensorFlow? We've seen that it's a powerful tool for AI, with an extensive set of libraries at its disposal. We also dived into how to write simple Python code using TensorFlow, showcasing its versatility and user-friendly nature. It's clear that TensorFlow is a vital player in the AI sphere, providing a robust foundation for a range of applications. And that's a quick dive into TensorFlow, a true ally in AI development.